Hey guys, thank you for checking out the video. My name is G, you're watching Keeping This Tech. In today's video, we're going to be updating the firmware on the Stealth 700 from Turtle Beach. I did a video about these headphones a few months back, and honestly, these are one of my favorite gaming headsets. And one of the viewers was like, hey man, how do you update the software? And I was like, yeah, that's a great question. And I was like, this is gonna be an awesome video to do. And I wanted to make it really quick. So check this out. You're gonna need a couple of things. Obviously the headphones, a USB cable, your computer. You're gonna wanna download the latest version of the Turtle Beach Hub app for the Mac or the PC, and then we're good to go. All right, cool. So you'll notice on the left ear cup, there's a port for a USB. Well, you're gonna go ahead and insert that USB cable right there, just like that. And on the other end, you guessed it, you're gonna connect that right into your computer. As soon as you do that, the app is going to recognize that the headphones are connected and it's going to launch right away. It's going to be dope. So you want to make sure that your USB is one that can support power as well as data. And I want to point out here, I'm not speeding this up. This is in real time. So you're seeing this app respond to the headphones that quickly. I mean, it is amazing how fast this is. And just like that, my headphones were updated. Clicking on this eye, which is the info tab, you'll see the software and the firmware as well as the Bluetooth versions. Now going back to home, you'll see some additional dynamic options for the microphone, some voice prompts. You'll have some presets for the different bass settings and EQs and all that other stuff. So that's all here. The cool thing is that you can actually change all of these settings in real time if you're using the iOS or the Android app. So that's something to consider. But guys, that's it. This is how you do it. If you like this video, feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the other side. Peace.